This week at the IGP Institute, we held the Buhler KSU Executive Milling course in Spanish. Our participants were from several Central and South American countries as well as one from the U.S. This course is targeted toward people who are new to the milling industry, who want a basic overview of how a milling system works. We cover everything from wheat receiving all the way through bulk flour loadout and flour blending. The students spent a day in the Hal Ross pilot mill to learn and get hands-on experience with the milling process. They also spent time in class looking at every piece of milling equipment, how it functions, and the purpose of it.